In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a gallery into your Wix website. This process is a straightforward way to enhance your website's visual appeal, allowing you to showcase images beautifully and professionally. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the Wix website editor. If you're new to Wix, the editor is the central hub for creating and customizing your website. It's user-friendly and filled with intuitive design tools to make website building a breeze. Once you're in the editor, you'll be greeted by your current site layout on the main screen. Look to your left and you'll discover the toolbar, which is essential for adding and modifying elements on your site. Next, click on the Add button. This is where the magic begins. The Add panel is a treasure trove of options, offering everything you might need to enhance your site. Here you'll find options for text, images, buttons, and of course the galleries. This feature allows you to add various elements to make your website not only functional, but visually captivating. Now, in the Add panel, you need to search for Gallery. Scroll through the options and you'll spot it there. Galleries in Wix are versatile tools that provide several layouts, making them perfect for showcasing a wide array of images from portfolios to product showcases. Depending on your creative needs, you can display images in a grid, slider, carousel, and more. Finding the right gallery is crucial. Spend a moment browsing through the different gallery options available. Consider what best suits the tone and style of your website. Whether it's a sleek slideshow or a charming collage, Wix's galleries are designed to cater to different aesthetic and functional requirements. Once you have decided on the ideal gallery for your website, simply click on it. This action will add the selected gallery to your page. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at this stage, since you'll have the opportunity to tweak it to your liking. Your chosen gallery will appear on your page, open for customization. After adding the gallery, the next step is to personalize it. Click on Settings located above or next to your gallery element. Customization is where you truly make it your own. Here, you can adjust the image order, replace placeholder images with your own pictures, and fine-tune other details. It's about making the gallery work for your specific needs and aligning with your site's overall design theme. Finally, it's time to select a style using the options provided in the settings. Wix offers several stylistic choices, allowing you to change the layout and behavior of your gallery to match your design goals. Experiment with different styles until you find one that fits perfectly. And there you go. Your gallery is ready, tailored, and set to be admired by your website visitors. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helped you add a stunning gallery to your Wix site. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to update or add more galleries.